I haven't been very whatever it is. Responsible, reliable, really useful. But I will be!
Hello, James.
Oh no, it's empty. I'll find you some more, Lily. I promise. But if I'm going to be any help at all, it's now or never. I've got to use up the rest of this stuff. James the Brains, get us out of here! Bye, James. Oh. Sorry to be so long, cuz. But better late than never.
Junior, we're all out of gold dust, aren't we?
Bankrupt. Hey, it's a beautiful day. I mean, we're down, but we're not out.
No, we're out. But we are not down.
Did Grandma love Lady as much as you do? Did she take a ride on her?
Grandma loved her because I loved her. But she never took a ride on Lady. I couldn't fix her in time. Oh, I wanted to take Tasha on our shining time.
On your shining time?
That wonderful journey when the train wheels turn and the rails shine. It was always going to be tomorrow. Tomorrow Lady would work again. Tomorrow everything would be perfect. And then it was too late. And I shut out tomorrow.
Grandpa, don't shut out today, too.
Lily, Mr. Stone, I've got the coal.